The world of high-end off-roading recognizes few shapes as iconic as the Mercedes-Benz G-Class, a military-derived box that has evolved into the ultimate global status symbol. But when the master tuners at Bottrop get their hands on the flagship platform, the result is something that transcends traditional luxury. This is the 2025 Mercedes-AMG BRABUS G63, a machine that takes the formidable foundation of the Geländewagen and transforms it into a fire-breathing, carbon-fiber-clad titan of the asphalt. Brabus has never been a company to understand the concept of moderation, and this latest iteration is a masterclass in automotive excess, designed strictly for those who want to dominate the road with brutal horsepower, unmistakable design presence, and an exhaust note that can shake the foundations of neighboring buildings. Visually, the Brabus G63 is an exercise in intimidation. The classic boxy silhouette of the standard G-Wagon is heavily augmented by the signature wide-star aerodynamic body kit, which adds significant width to the vehicle's stance through flared wheel arches and muscular side panels. The front fascia undergoes a dramatic redesign, dominated by a bespoke Brabus grille featuring the iconic double B emblem and integrated intake illumination that glows with a subtle, futuristic intensity. A massive carbon fiber hood attachment sits proudly up front, equipped with dual functional ram air scoops to feed the hungry beast underneath. Carbon fiber is the defining theme of the exterior, appearing on everything from the roof-mounted LED light bars and side mirror caps to the prominent rear spare wheel cover. The vehicle rides on spectacular 24-inch Brabus monoblock forged alloy wheels, filling out the widened arches perfectly and giving the SUV a low, aggressive stance that looks ready to devour the highway. At the sides, the legendary dual exhaust tips emerge from beneath the running boards, finished in dark chrome and sporting a valve-controlled system that lets the driver toggle between a neighbor-friendly homecoming mode and a wild, unfiltered V8 roar. Underneath that expansive carbon hood lies the heart of this mechanical monster, a heavily modified 4.0-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine. While the standard AMG G63 is certainly no slouch, Brabus engineers have implemented high-performance turbochargers, a custom engine management map, and a specialized exhaust system to extract a staggering 800 horsepower and an immense 737 pound-feet of torque.
When you plant your foot on the accelerator, this heavy, aerodynamically challenged brick completely lays out the laws of physics, launching from 0 to 60 miles per hour in a sports car-shaming 4.0 seconds flat. The power delivery is instantaneous and brutal, channeled through a robust 9-speed automatic transmission to an advanced all-wheel drive system that ensures maximum traction on any surface. Step inside the cabin, and the rugged exterior makes way for a sanctuary of bespoke luxury, showcasing the unparalleled craftsmanship of the Brabus Fine Leather Workshop. The interior is completely reupholstered in a premium blend of buttery soft leather and alcantara, stitched together in an intricate diamond pattern that extends from the deeply bolstered sports seats to the door panels and dashboard. Carbon fiber trim elements are used extensively throughout the cockpit, complementing the digital wonderland of the twin-screen dashboard interface. Overhead, a custom headliner features integrated ambient lighting and classic analog gauges that display speed, RPM, and outside temperature to the rear passengers, replicating a high-end private jet experience. In conclusion, the 2025 Brabus G63 is a monumental achievement that represents the absolute zenith of luxury SUV performance, combining brutal power with an elite level of customization that ensures it remains completely unrivaled on the road today.